Hey everyone, welcome to the Gourmet Code. Have you ever heard of potato milk? It's a dairy-free, nut-free, and gluten-free milk alternative that's easy to make at home. In this video, we are going to show you step-by-step how to make potato milk that's creamy, delicious, and perfect for baking, cooking, or adding to your morning coffee. Let's get started. These are the ingredients needed. Do feel free to pause the video. 2 medium-sized potatoes. 4 cups of water. 2 to 3 dates, optional. 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, optional. A pinch of salt. Now we have the ingredients, let's start making our potato milk. Step 1. Peel and chop the potatoes into small pieces. Step 2. Add the potatoes to a pot with 4 cups of water and a pinch of salt. Step 3. Bring the pot to a boil and then lower the heat to a simmer. Let the potatoes cook for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until they're tender. Step 4. Once the potatoes are cooked, strain them and reserve the cooking liquid in a separate container. Step 5. Transfer the cooked potatoes to a blender, along with 1 to 2 cups of the cooking liquid. Add the dates and vanilla extract, if using. Step 6. Blend the mixture on high speed for 1 to 2 minutes, or until the mixture is smooth and creamy. Step 7. If the mixture is too thick, add more of the reserved cooking liquid and blend again until you reach the desired consistency. Step 8. Once the mixture is smooth, strain it through a fine mesh sieve or cheesecloth to remove any remaining bits of potato. Step 9. Transfer the potato milk to a clean container and refrigerate it for up to 5 days. And there you have it. A homemade potato milk that's easy to make, affordable, and delicious. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this recipe and give it a try at home. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel for more recipes and tips. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below.